Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the class. We are meeting after a very long time. So, how have you all been? Yes. So you must know that long back, you got one sheet. Do you have that sheet? It was like asking and giving directions. Does anyone have it? No? Okay. So basically, if you have it, you can take it out. Asking and giving directions, because that was one sheet. How many of you have it? If you have it, you can take it out. This. You can just raise your hand and let me know if you have the sheet. And if you don't have it, it's okay. So basically, we are going to do asking, and giving directions. Okay. So, have you ever, I just wanted to ask you a question. Have you ever felt the need to ask directions? Like you went somewhere, even though, sometimes you have, nowadays we are all using what? What do we use for directions? Can anyone come and tell me? What do we normally use for directions? Yes, please come and tell me. Plateau, I think I saw a hand raised. What is it that we normally use when we go in the car or when we go, like, you can ask directions. Yes. Tolstoy, green t-shirt, that boy raises hand. What do you use for directions? Yes, very good. Come better. Come. Yes, the boy who stood up.
Google Maps.
Very good. So now we have this facility. We can use Google Maps, okay? And sometimes, if you're wearing an Apple Watch or you're wearing some like these digital watches, they can also guide you. But we still sometimes need directions, okay? You go in the interiors, Google Map will not show the direction and stuff like that. And so you will still need directions. And we should know all the terms we use to get directions, even for asking and for giving directions. Okay. So here we are today. Can you tell me what words will you use when you ask directions? What words? Asking directions. Okay? Asking. How will you ask? Asking directions. How will you ask? What sentence will you use? Supposing you want to go to a movie theater and you're new in the area, you don't know. Okay. So how will you ask? Somebody told you it is there somewhere, like, in that far corner, and you just go. And you want to ask someone who's walking, a pedestrian. People who are walking are called pedestrians. You want to ask the pedestrian, where is this particular place? What question will you put? How will you ask that person? Anyone? I'm sure you know what question to ask. What do we use? The first word we will use is excuse me. Okay. Could you tell me where the mall is? Like, excuse me, could you please tell me, or could you tell me where the mall is? This is one simple question we can ask. Okay. What else? Now see, we use the word excuse me. Okay. So this is a very, very common thing. Excuse me, we have used. Could you tell me? Tell me. What can, instead of tell me, what else can we write? Could you direct me? Could you direct me to the mall? We can also write, could you guide me? Okay, could you guide me? Could you guide me? Or could you give me directions to the mall? Could you give me directions to the mall? So these are the different questions we can ask. Okay, what else? What else can you ask? What are the other kind of questions which you can ask? Anyone who would like to tell me? Suppose you are going in a car, okay? And somehow your Google map is not working. So what can you ask? Are we on the right track? Are we on the right road towards this city or this? Okay, sometimes, you get into by roads and by lanes, and then Google Maps also don't like, they can keep on redirecting you and they confuse you. So you like to take some advice from a passerby, from a pedestrian. So these are the questions. How do I get? How do I get? Okay. So how do I get to the library? You can ask someone, how do I get to the hospital? Okay. Or library, or whichever place, to the, like in a park. So how do I get to the park, to the library, to the hospital, or wherever, to the zoo, to the museum? Could you guide me where the mall is? Could you guide me where the zoo is? Could you guide me where the post office is? Like, so many different things you can ask in these two questions. Could you direct me the same way? So these are the words you use. Okay. Now, what else will you use in English? अब हिंदी में कौन या पंजाबी में directions कौन देगा? I want two children to come out and do a role play. Okay, you will give directions in Hindi or in Punjabi. Who will come out? Two children. Yes. Anyone from Karl Marx? Two children from Karl Marx. Can you come out and give directions? Or anyone from Socrates? Or anyone from Tolstoy? Okay, anyone from Militus, Russell, Plato? How is it possible that nobody wants to come out and talk? Do come out. Okay. Middle row, Russell, middle row, these two boys who are sitting on the second bench. Please come out. Middle row. Yes, please come out, both of you. One boy is wearing a turban, the other one is in a patka. Could you please come out, both of you? Middle row, second bench. Yes, come out, both of you. Ajao, come. You don't have to hide. You can't hide your face. Okay. Any two children I want to come out and do a role play. You can ask in Hindi or in Punjabi, whichever language you are comfortable with. Then we can start improvising it and making it like, going it with, to the drill in English. So, yes, very good. Come out. That was very brave of you to come out. So supposing one of you wants to go to any particular place, you decide, and you cannot, you cannot find the way. So you stop the passerby or you stop the pedestrian and you ask. So what will you ask? Yes. What will you say? Speak about in Hindi or Punjabi, whichever language you are more comfortable with. How will you ask?
In any language you can do, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
बोलो, वैसे भी तो बातें करती ही रहती हो क्लास में बैठ के। टेल टू द मैम what they are asking. You can use any language, beta.
But what is that? You know how you ask directions. I'm sure everybody. How many of you have ever asked directions? Yes, there are children from Tolstoy.
They both were also talking. Yes, you can. How will you ask? Yes. Come out.
I'm quite surprised, Beta. It's taking so long. Anyone else? Yeah. You two stay there and think what you're going to talk about. Anybody else who is interested in coming out and doing a role play? A short role play? Someone from Kalma, because I can't see half the classroom. Okay, so I don't know what's happening on the third bench. This thing. Could you please? I want 4 people enter the waiting room. What is that? Yes. Anyone else? Any other 2 children from Karl Marx? Anybody would like to come and speak? But one more thing I'll tell you. Until unless you learn to speak and question, you are learning nothing. I'm telling you. Bookish knowledge is not. You know why people fail interviews? Most of the people fail interviews because they are unable to speak. They are unable to speak. That is the most. Go find out. See the data. Even if you have full, complete knowledge, but if you can't come and talk, it's bad. I'm asking.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
My question is that one of you will, I want 2 people, okay? And one of you will ask for directions to the other person, and the other one will give directions. That's it. And I'm not even asking you to speak in English. I'm asking you to speak in any language. And look, children, this is a class where we are going to improve our spoken English. If you will not speak, if you will not cooperate, I won't be able to help you in any way. And if you think it's a small thing, no. Your school has made an effort to start this program for you. Please take full advantage of it. Okay? And I want in a very good way.
Ma'am, shall we start?
Yes, sure. Go ahead.
Medical room किथे आ?
ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਜਾਣਾ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਖੱਬੇ ਫਿਰ ਥੱਲੇ ਉਤਰਨਾ ਰੈਂਪ ਫਿਰ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਜਾਣਾ ਫਿਰ ਖੱਬੇ ਫਿਰ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਜਾਣਾ ਫਿਰ ਖੱਬੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਪਾਸੇ
Washroom ਕਿਥੇ ਆ?
ਵਾਸ਼ਰੂਮ ਬਾਹਰ ਨਿਕਲ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਫਿਰ ਸੱਜੇ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਜਾਣਾ ਸੱਜੇ ਪਾਸੇ
ਅੱਛਾ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਸਟਾਫ ਰੂਮ ਕਿਥੇ ਆ?
ਸਟਾਫ ਰੂਮ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਖੱਬੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਫਿਰ ਥੱਲੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਰੈਂਪ ਉਤਰ ਕੇ ਫਿਰ ਸੱਜੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਆ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
Okay. Now very
ਹੋ
good.
ਗਿਆ
Okay, very good. Now can you speak the same thing in English? Khabbe is left, Sajje is right, going Siddha Jana is straight. Okay, so can you please go straight ahead, then turn left or turn right? Very good, I'm very impressed. Aajo beta wapas, that boy in black jacket. You were the one who spoke? Yes, you can do this in English now. Come on. Go straight ahead. Turn left, turn, take a right turn, take a left turn, or turn left, turn right. Walk a few steps more, like, you can 100 meters, 10 feet. And one more thing, and one more thing, when we are learners, when we are learning, there is no need to hesitate. Because जो आता है वो आता है, नहीं आता तो we are learning. So there is no need to hesitate. Nobody is judging you. Please go ahead. Without any hesitation. Go ahead. Come on. Come on.
Could you tell me the way of ground?
go straight right side go downstairs in front of you there will be ground.
Okay. Okay, yeah, not bad. Not bad. Yes. Ask something. Ask the next question.
Excuse me, could you tell me the way of library?
Go straight, then right side, go downstairs, then there will be a block in front of you. Go in that block. When you enter the block on the right side, there will be library.
Okay, that's nice. Yes. So anybody can take these directions. Yes, so this is very simple like this. Now, I can ask you different ways in which we can go. These are the letters or the words which you will write. Okay. So asking directions, आप अपनी सब notebook में लिख लो. These are the asking. Excuse me, could you tell me where the mall is? Mall की जगह you can put library, you can put the police station, you can put hospital, you can put anything, okay? Even a store, mall, anything you want. Then how do I get to the any of this? How do I get to? Okay. Then we can also write, could you guide me? Could you direct me? Could you guide me, direct me? So write down all these instructions in your notebook so that when we start again, you people have these sentences and these words which are to be used. Start doing it right now. Okay. Do you have the, I think so some of you have the sheets with you. Do you have the sheets with you? Yeah, yeah, good. So if you have the sheet, you know. Okay, many of you still have the sheet with you. Yes. So go along. Now there is a word which will come. Should I erase this? Have you done copying? If you are done copying, I'll erase it so that I can write down more about it. So if you're done, I'll erase it. Should I? Give me a hands up if you want me to erase it. So we can erase it, okay? Because most of you are like, I think so, done with this. And if you have the sheet with you, you can kind of, I'm sure you people have the sheet with you, so you can go home and you can look into it. So there are I'll just write down 4 or 5 good sentences so that we can start with the role play. I am looking for the zoo. Could you please tell me the way to it? Okay, so this is like you can put anything here. You can put anything you want to go. Okay, so this is one sentence. You're asking for direction. Pardon me. Okay, I am lost. Write anything. Okay. So you can just say, pardon me, I'm lost. Okay, so you can also ask for directions like this to any place. Okay, although we have all, if you go to the airport, you have all the directions. But sometimes You don't know whether to go up the ramp or down the ramp, and then you can get lost. Okay, so all these things, even in the cities, sometimes you take a wrong turn or you take, like, we have so many flyovers and all these things, they become. So, how far is the park? Like, you can even ask, how far is the park? Or you can write down, what else? How far is the hospital? Or you can write down public hall. Public hall, like a community hall or something, like, anything. So you can ask these kind of questions when you want some directions. Very good. Now, I will write down certain words which, whenever you give directions in English, you have to use them. Okay, so turn left, turn right, go straight. So these things are very normal, but we will talk about some few more words. So you can write down these when you are asking directions. You can use, even if you know these three, four sentences, very common everyday sentences, you'll be good. You'll be able to ask directions and do a great job. Okay. So I hope you all have noted them down. If you have noted them down, you can note it down. Yes. And but these things are very important. Don't think, ye to kya hai? Like, I can see children who are sitting idle and not even writing it. Karl Marx, middle row, many children are just sitting idle. I don't know why. Why don't think these things are important? But every single word we do in this class is important. And even much more important is that you use it. Its usage in everyday life. That becomes even much more important. How many of you have started speaking in English amongst yourself every day? I want to see at least, 50% of the children raise their hands. How many of you have started? Because if you want to learn a language the most, very good. I can see one hand raised in Karl Marx. Very good, beta. Keep it up. Keep it up. How many of you have spoken? Very good. See, it is a language which is a very important international language, and we get an edge over others if we speak it well. And so you all have the opportunity to do great in this. Okay. And only thing you require is you have knowledge of the language. Only thing you need to do is you have to improve your pronunciation and increase your vocabulary. Both can be done by spoken English, by good listening skills and good speaking skills. Please continue doing it. You all can start working on it. It's going to benefit you a lot. A lot. I'm telling you, mark my words. Mark my words. And I'm telling you, it's a very important skill and tool you have. Okay? So please don't waste your time and don't think, okay, ye kya hai? What is it? No, it's very important and you will realize it soon. Sooner than later. So I'm just going to erase this. I hope everybody has copied it down. So you say, pardon me, you say, how far, you say, I'm lost, all these words you can use. Okay, now here, I'll just write down a few words. This is like giving directions. Okay. Okay. If you have to say sajje or khabba, like khabbe jana ya sajje jana, very easy. So you can say turn left, turn right, Now, this is easy. Okay. Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. Who will come and tell me what does it mean? Very simple. I want people to come and tell me. Who will tell me? Who will come and tell me? If I say go straight ahead, what do I mean? Yes? Anyone? From Karl Marx? Anyone from Tolstoy? Plato? I'm just saying, like, हम कहते हैं ना सीधा जाना, बस बिल्कुल सीधा चले जाओ. That is like go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. Okay. Yes. We say take this road. Okay, you are traveling, and so we will say take this road, like take this road, like go 100 meters, and there will be a bend or a curve, like go along, मतलब उसके साथ साथ आगे आगे चलते जाओ, go along. So go along, that is another one. Okay. Yes. So go along is also one thing which you have to learn. So while giving directions, all these words have to be, don't put any pressure on yourself. When we start using these words like normal everyday things, they become a part of our vocabulary and become easy to understand and use. But if we just listen to them one day, then we fold the paper, put it away, then it is of no use. The more you use them, the more they become your everyday language. And language is everyday words. Okay, so please do use them. Try to, like, even if you're, so like, it's about 100 meters ahead. What do you mean by 100 meters? Is it a very big distance or a short distance, 100 meters? ये आके बता दो. 100 meters ज्यादा distance है कि कम है? Who will come and tell me? Someone from Russell's classroom? Yes, a boy in blue t-shirt who's hesitant in raising his hand on my left. Please come out. आजा बेटा. Yes. 100 meters ज्यादा होता है कि कम होता है? Tell me.
कम होता है मैम.
Yeah, it's very less. It is only 1 or 2 minute walk. Okay, so it is like 1 or 2 minute walk. कितने steps हो जाते होंगे 1 or 2 minute में? आप कितने steps ले सकते हो? Okay, like 150 like steps. So this is average, just calculating. So 100 meters is very less. So if you want to guide someone, you will just tell, like, oh, just go straight 100 meters. Okay. So there was a time when I was asking for directions in some place. I was looking for a shop and I was standing right opposite it and I did not know. And I was like, I asked someone and that person, like, started smiling and then, oh, it's right across. Right across. Okay. So right across. Across is on the other side. On the other side. Okay. So if you're standing on this side, there is a road in between or there is something parked. So across is like, go on the other side. So that is right across. Yes. Or you can guide, like, it is next to, if you have a landmark, if you will say it's 100 meters from the hospital, it is next to the hospital. It is on the right side of the hospital. It is behind the hospital. Like, anything you can use as a landmark. So these are the words which we are going to use. Turn left into the street. Okay. You can also give this direction. I'm writing here like turn left or right into the street. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Who will tell me? Turn left or right into the street. Turn left into the street. Turn right into the street. That means वो जो street है उसके अंदर आपने चले जाना. Okay? You turn left and then go walk into the street. So that is how, and in the middle of the street, you will find this house number. Okay, something like that. So this is how you give directions. Okay. You can say it is in the corner. It is around the corner. That means thoda sa jao, turn karo corner pe, and you will find it. It's just around the corner. So that means it's a very short distance from where you are asking me the directions. You just walk straight and it just turn and it is around the corner. Then you can also write two streets meet. You can also write like, where two streets meet. When at the crossroad is जहाँ दो तीन streets मिलती हैं. That is called the crossroad. Okay, sometimes you have like streets meeting like this. That is like this. Okay, and I can give you this. So these are like crossroads. यहाँ पर there is one street from here, one from here, one from here, one from here. So हम इसको चौरास्ता बोलते हैं ना, चार रास्ते मिलते हैं. So this is a crossroad where streets meet. It can be two also. It can be two, it can be three, it can be four, it can be more also. So these are the crossroads. Okay, this is how you do it. Now, if you don't have the worksheet, I cannot do this particular thing with you, but I can ask you to give me directions. Okay. So should I erase this? Should I erase this now? Are you comfortable with this now? Which are the new? Write down which are the 5 new terms you have learned. And one of you can come and tell me. At least 5. If you have learned more than 5, let me know. But if you have learned at least 5 new terms today you learned while giving direction or the way you ask the question. Okay. So you can come and talk to me about it. Who will come forward? Something which is like, which we will frequently use while giving and asking directions. Who will come and tell me? Anyone? I thought I would see many children. Yes, please. At least.
मैं turn left,
Yes, turn left.
turn right,
Yes, very common. Turn left, take a left, take a right.
right across,
Yes. Walk
go
across.
straight,
Go straight ahead. Yes. Fifth one.
take ahead 100 meter,
Yes. Turn around the corner. Okay. Where the crossroads meet, go north. We can even give like, at the crossroads, take a north. Or at the crossroads, go east. Or at the crossroads, go west. So this is, we can even give cardinal directions also. Okay. Cardinal jo hamare hain, east, west, north, south. Okay. So this is how we will do. Now I'm going to make a small, yahan pe what you call, I'll make a small drawing and then think about it and tell me where the things are. Okay. So here we have this rectangular. I hope you people are able to see it. Okay, so this is like a rough sketch I'm making, not very this thing. Okay. Um, so we can next time if you can bring the sheet, we can work on this particular thing, and because I think so it's time up, and next time we can do something more, even much more interesting. But I will really request if you will all come forward to speak. That would be a great thing to do. Okay. So have a good day. I think so it's a break time. Go ahead. Thank you very much.